Welcome to Agri Gadget Picks. Well-shaped hedges demand clean, precise cuts, and the right tool makes all the difference in speed, comfort, and long-term plant health. Best hedge shears combine sharp blades, balanced weight, ergonomic grips, and durability for effortless, controlled trimming every season. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DeWalt Cordless Hedge Shear. The DeWalt Cordless Hedge Shear is a powerful and efficient option for gardeners who value speed, precision, and modern convenience. Powered by the trusted 20V Max platform, this pruning shear delivers smooth and swift cuts thanks to its non-stick coated blades that reduce friction and prevent sap buildup. It is especially effective for trimming branches cleanly without crushing, which helps maintain plant health. One standout feature is the quick blade change system, allowing users to switch blades easily with the included tool, saving time during different pruning tasks. The built-in LED work light is another thoughtful addition, making it easier to work in shaded areas or during early mornings and evenings. Despite its strong performance, the tool remains lightweight at just 1 pound, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Backed by DeWalt's reputation for durability and manufactured by Stanley Black & Decker, this cordless hedge shear is a reliable choice for homeowners and professionals looking for consistent cutting performance.
Number 2. SUIZAN Japanese Hedge Shear. The SUIZAN Japanese Hedge Shear stands out for its traditional craftsmanship and exceptional cutting precision. Handcrafted in Japan by skilled artisans, these shears reflect generations of metalworking expertise from a region famous for blade making. The use of high-quality Japanese steel results in razor-sharp edges that deliver clean, accurate cuts, minimizing damage to plants and promoting healthy growth. These shears are designed to handle branches and leaves up to ½ an inch thick, making them versatile enough for both light trimming and more demanding hedge work throughout the year. The ergonomic oak wood handle adds to the premium feel while providing a comfortable and secure grip that reduces hand fatigue during long gardening sessions. Unlike mass-produced tools, the SUIZAN Hedge Shear emphasizes balance, control, and longevity. For gardeners who appreciate authenticity, durability, and traditional performance, this tool offers a refined and dependable trimming experience.
Number 3. Fiskars 23-inch Hedge Shear. The Fiskars 23-inch Hedge Shear is engineered for gardeners who want maximum cutting power combined with comfort and reliability. Its power lever technology multiplies leverage, allowing you to cut through thicker branches with less effort compared to standard hedge shears. The fully hardened 10-inch precision ground blades feature a serrated edge that grips stems securely, ensuring clean and controlled cuts. A rust-resistant chrome coating helps the blades glide smoothly and enhances long-term durability, while the self-sharpening design keeps performance consistent over time. Comfort is a key strength of this model, with shock-absorbing bumpers that reduce strain at the end of each cut and soft grip touch points that provide a secure, non-slip hold. Designed with ergonomic efficiency in mind, this hedge shear is ideal for maintaining hedges, shrubs, and bushes. Fiskars' commitment to quality makes this a dependable tool for both casual gardeners and serious yard enthusiasts.
Number 4. YRTSH 19-inch Hedge Shear. The YRTSH 19-inch hedge shear offers a practical and budget-friendly solution for routine hedge trimming and shrub shaping. Built with quality alloy steel blades, it features a non-stick, low-friction coating that allows smooth cutting through branches while reducing resistance and buildup. This makes pruning tasks feel easier and more controlled. The shock-absorbing bumpers help minimize arm and wrist strain by softening the impact at the end of each cut, which is especially helpful during longer gardening sessions. Its triangular steel tube construction adds strength and stability, ensuring the shears remain sturdy and maintain sharpness even with regular use. The ergonomic, non-slip grip is designed for comfort and control, with soft rubber handles that help reduce fatigue. Overall, this hedge shear balances durability, comfort, and cutting efficiency, making it a solid choice for homeowners who want dependable performance without unnecessary complexity.
Number 5. WORKPRO Cordless Hedge Shear. The WORKPRO Cordless Hedge Shear is a compact and user-friendly tool designed for light trimming and everyday garden maintenance. Featuring a powerful upgraded motor and a 2-in-1 blade system, it allows quick switching between grass cutting and hedge trimming, making it highly versatile for small yard tasks. Weighing only 0.82 pounds, this lightweight design is easy to handle with one hand and is especially suitable for beginners, elderly users, or anyone with limited hand strength. The USB-C charging feature adds modern convenience, allowing charging from common devices like power banks or laptops, while the 2000 mAh battery provides reliable runtime. Sharp, precision blades deliver clean cuts on small shrubs, lawn edges, and thin branches, with tool-free blade replacement for added safety. With a dual safety lock system and thoughtful ergonomics, the WORKPRO Hedge Shear offers a safe, efficient, and convenient trimming experience.
Choosing the right hedge shears ensures cleaner cuts, healthier growth, and a more polished landscape. With proper balance, sharp blades, and comfortable handling, quality shears turn routine trimming into an efficient task while delivering consistently neat results season after season.